So it says, how much house could we afford with a 4.5% interest rate and a 30-year fixed rate mortgage? So that rate isn't changing. And in this situation, the rate's not really going to change. And so we want to use that present value function. We want to take that percent, that interest rate, we're going to divide it by 12. Because remember that monthly, again, that was my problem. I kept messing that up, ruined my weekend. The number of payments will be 30 years times 12 payments a year. And then the amount will be $1,360. Okay, that's how much we want to give to the bank. So we're going to use that present value function. So this is 2-6 3a. So we're going to use equals PV. And again, if we're using that formula, it says the monthly interest rate, which would be 0.045 divided by 12. Then it would be 30 years times 12 payments a year for the total number of payments. And then you only want to be paying $1,360 for the house. Okay. So if you paid that, the house that you can afford is that much money. Okay. The $268,000 home. But that's just the cost of your house without any interest applied to it. Okay. So again, we've got that situation there with the present value function. That's how much the home is worth right now. Like if you're on the market, that's that kind of house that you're looking for, because you want that 1360 to be consistent. Alrighty, so I'm going to dump that into the chat, or sorry, into the key as we come back over here. So that's how much we want to look for a house. Now it says how much interest would be paid on that mortgage. Okay, so we are paying 1360 times 30 times 12. Okay, so again, the total that I'm paying for the house, the total money will be $1,360 a month times 12 months a year times 30 years. Okay, when I multiply that all together, I get $489,600. Okay, that's how much money I'm giving the bank or giving the landlord if I'm paying $1,360 a month for living. So that's how much I'm given. If I want the interest, I have to subtract off the $489,600. I've got to subtract off the value of the home when I purchase it, because homes usually rise, which is going to be $221,188.82. So again, that is going to be the amount of interest I pay